Hey guys, we are gonna get this party started. We have 15 minutes all about the booty. We're gonna keep it nice and low impact for you. There's gonna be no squatting, but we are gonna be on the ground. So I would recommend having a mat or some sort of pillow just for some support underneath your knees. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. So meet me on the ground, make sure you have some space. We're gonna start on all fours. So take your hands underneath your shoulder blades. You're gonna pull your abs up and in. I want you to take your left forearm flat to the ground and you're gonna box out with this right elbow here. Take your right leg, it's gonna go on the back diagonal. So think inner thigh shining to the ground. Go ahead and point your toe and then push your shoulders down. Abs are tight. We're gonna just go tap the toe, lift it up. Tap the toe, lift it up. We're gonna go a little bit faster. So we go down, we lift up. Down, lift, lower, and squeeze. So we're working our outer glute here. So you're opening up slightly in that right hip. Inhale and exhale. Good, give me 8 more, just like that. You have 8, 7, 6. Last 4, 3, 2. You got it. Hold this one up at the top. We're gonna draw the knee towards the elbow and then send it back on the diagonal. So it's crunch and press. We're gonna keep it slow to start. Squeeze and reach. Keep that inner thigh shining to the ground, but don't let your knee drop. Think of pulling it towards that shoulder. Crunch and press. 2 more slow. You got it. Reach. Last one slow. Let's take it up 1 count. We pull in and reach. Crunch and reach. Don't forget about your core. Pull your abs up and away from the floor. Hold that leg straight, just little lifts up and up. Reach and reach. This movement can be small. Keep that leg nice and straight. Energy out your toe. For 4, 3, we're gonna take it back to that drop and lift. So slow, down for 2, lift for 2. Down for 2, lift for 2. 2 more slow. Down and up. 1 count, 8 times. Take a tap, lift it up. Tap and lift. You got it. Here for 4, 3. Keep those shoulders away from your ears. Hold this one at the top. Knee slides forward for 2, back for 2. Forward 2, reach for 2. 2 more slow. Crunch, reach. Last one. 8 quick, speed it up. We slide forward, back, crunch, and reach. Woo! Let's go. Give me 4. Give me 3. 2. Hold that leg straight back, little lifts to finish. Up, up, lift, lift. Stretch that leg, this is where you finish. Last 8, 6. We have 4, 3, 2, on 1. Drop that knee back, shift your hips back. Just wiggle it out a little bit. Shift those hips side to side. Maybe roll out your wrist. We're gonna head into our second set, working the same leg, this right side. Come down to both of your forearms. Push your shoulders down, pull your abs in. You're gonna stomp that right heel up, lower it back down. Stomp it up, and lower. Last one, slow. We're gonna take it up 1 count right here. Stomp, drop, press, and lower. Working just a different part of that glute now, right where your hamstring meets your glute. Hold this one up at the top, hold it there, extend the leg straight, back, curl, back, curl. So as you extend the knee, your toes shine straight to the ground. You're in that parallel position. Hold the heel back into the seat, little stomp, press, press. Woo! Burn it out. You have 8. Can you pull that heel a little closer towards your seat? 4, 3, nice and slow. Bring it back to the floor. We lower, down for 2. Press up for 2. Lower 2. Press up for 2. lower, and press, down, and squeeze. Speed it up, 1 count. We tap, press, tap, press. So every time you send that heel up, I'm gonna think of re-engaging your core. We have 4, 3, 2. Hold this one at the top, extend the knee, back, reach, out and in. Hamstring curl, reach and squeeze. Just 4, 3, 2. Hold that heel in, push it up to the sky, press it up, press and press. Woo! Shoulders down, core is tight. You have 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Oh my goodness, drop your knee, shift those hips back again. Reach your arms long, rest your head. That was a doozy. Roll yourself up through your spine. Roll out those wrists, roll out those shoulders. We are gonna head in to our second side. So go ahead and flip yourself around. This time, we're gonna plant our left hand into the ground and come onto our right forearm. Take your your left leg on the back diagonal, point your toe, shoulders down, abs tight, open up that hip. So we lower down, we lift up. We lower for 2, we lift for 2. We're working this outer glute to get us started. Let's take it 1 count right here. Tap down, lift up. Tap down, lift up. Really push your weight into your left palm, right on the ground. 4, 3, 2. Hold this one up at the top, slide the knee forward, reach back. Forward, reach back. Remember not to let that knee dip down. Try to keep it parallel to the ground. Really get all that work in the outer glute. We speed it up 8 times. Crunch, forward, back. Crunch, reach. Yes, you've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold the legs straight, little lifts, up, up. You've got it. Here for 8, 6, and 4, 3. Take it slow, 2 counts. Down for 2, lift for 2, down for 2, lift for 2. Woo, 2 more. Down. Keep that inner thigh shining towards the ground. 1 count each way. Take it down, lift, down, lift. We have 4, 3, 2. Last set, we hold it up and slide the knee forward. Woo, press it back. Forward. Let's speed it up to finish. 8, 7, 6, 5, woo, 4, 3, 2. Yes, booties, hold it out. Little lifts to finish. Take it up. Up, lift, lift. We've got 8 more. Lift. 6, straight leg, shoulders down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knee. Oh my goodness, shift your booty back. It's burning. Take a little breather. We have 1 more set on the ground to finish us off. So go ahead and come down now onto both of your forearms, flat to the ground, shoulders push down, pull your abs in. We'll start by stomping that left heel up, down. Again, press and lower. Give me 2 more to this tempo. Press and lower. Square your hips, pull your abs in, press it, tempo. Take it up and down. Lift and lower. Think stomp, hold, drop. 4 more. Up. 3. In 2. You hold it at the top. Hold there. Extend that leg. Straight back. Curl. Reach and curl. Reaching through that heel. Toes shine to the ground. Give me 4. Give me 3. 2. Hold that heel in. Stomp it up. Press. Up. Up. Dry that heel a little closer towards your ledge. We're here for 8, 6, 4, 3, slow it down, tap that knee, down for 2, press for 2, woo, down for 2, squeeze your core at the top, 2 more slow, down, and up, last one, good, speed it up, 1 count, for 8, 7, we got it guys, 6, carving out that ledge, sitting that booty nice and high off those legs for 2. Woo, hold it at the top, extend, out, in, go reach, curl, just give me 4 more, almost there, keep your core engaged for 2, squeeze it tighter, hold it in, stomp the sky, up, up. We got it. Final push. Here's 8. Here's 6. Last 4. 3, 2, on 1. Drop that knee. Oh my goodness. Shift your booty back. Reach your arms long and take a big stretch. Amazing, you guys. Roll yourself up through the spine and meet me standing up. And we're gonna just finish it off with a nice little burn. All right, you guys, let's get started. You're gonna take your left foot forward, your right foot is back and straight. Bend into this front leg, so you might need to push your right leg back further behind you. You're gonna bend this back knee, pulse, pulse, pulse. Good, now we're in this pulse with our shoulders over our hips. Now I want you to hinge forward over that front leg. So we're gonna now shift the energy into our front glutes, this left supporting glute. Really pushing over that leg. Most of your weight is in this front leg. Stay here for 8, 6, 4, 3. We're gonna tap this right foot in. You're gonna tap it in, tap it back, tap it in, tap it back. Then you have 4 pulses. 4, 3, 2, back to your tap. You tap in, back, in, 4 pulses. 4. Tap it in, back, pulse it down, push into that front heel, zip up your core, in, back, in, 4 more like that, take it down, 2, 3, we tap, forward, back, 3 more, woo, really hinge that chest forward, you've got it, 2 more sets like this, push, push, tap it in, back, in, last time that we hold, press, 2, 3, and tap, in, back, in, hold right here, breathe, really push into that front leg, maybe sink a little lower, good, now you're gonna reach your arms forward, and then you're gonna push that leg straight as you reach back, so lunge down, press it forward, drop it down, lunge it forward, woo! Drop it down, lunge it forward, 4 more, back, push forward. Here's 3, push forward, so strong, you got it. 2, charge, last one, hold it forward, just freeze, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift it up and shake it out. Oh my goodness. Knock that hip out. We are gonna take our second side and you are done. So again, come into that lunge now, stretch that front leg, start to take that little pulse. Good. You're gonna keep that pulse, just start to hinge forward from your waist now, really pushing into this right front leg. Keeping your core engaged, your back flat, but push into that right heel. Press, press. All right, we're gonna add in that little tap with our left foot coming in. Start nice and slow. You're gonna tap it forward, tap back, really balancing on that front leg. Now hold it back, 4 pulses. We pulse for 4, 3, 2, tap it in. We go in, tap, in, pulse it down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap it in, tap it in. Again, pulse, 2, 3, really push into that heel. Squeeze, squeeze. Keep a bent knee in the front. Tap it, in, back, in, and back. You've got a few more like this. Keep your chest proud. Woo. 3 more. Down. 2, 3. Tap it in. Forward, back, forward. Last 2. Let's go. Pulse. 2, 3, 4. Tap it in. Tap it in. Good. Last time. Woo. And tap. Forward, back. Now hold at the back. Stay low in that front leg. Good. Reach your arms forward. You start with that drop, then the press. We drop back. We lunge, press forward. So sink into that back leg. Push into the front thigh. Sink it back. Press it through. Sink it back. Press it through. 4 more. Almost there. Back. Chest forward. Woo! 3. I'm shaking. Let's go. 2 more. Push. And press. Last one. Press, hold. Just 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Let's walk those feet out wide. Drop your chest forward. Open those hips. Maybe just shift side to side. Whew. Amazing booty work, you guys. Take your legs straight. Fold over your legs. Let your head hang heavy. Feeling the length through the backs of those legs. Take a soft bend through the knees. Rebuild your spine. Roll it all the way up. Roll your shoulders back. And see you next time, you guys. Let me know your favorite part. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, or like this video. Thanks.